Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hayden here. Welcome to another episode of Goodwill Hunting, where we go to various Goodwills and see what treasures we could find. We are in the city of Santa Ana at the ground location. I'm really excited to take you guys into the store. If you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, and vlogs, do not forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. And me on Instagram, it's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. Check out my shop, itsHadrian.com, to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. And also, stay up to date on store sales as well. So, without further ado, let's head to the store, check it out, see what we can find today. Pretty excited. Oh my gosh, they still have this dolphin table. Love it. Think that's a fake Gucci bag. Looking through the handbags. Oh, do you guys remember last week we were here, we found like all those really great bags, like that Miu Miu, which was amazing, that Mark by Mark, Prune, oh, it's one of those prune bags. Let's check this out a little bit more. I think they sell prune at like, what's it called? Anthropology. Hey, they have Draco Malfoy and Captain Marvel. Looking at the stuff here. Oh, they still have these guys. Hey, these doormats are pretty nice. They're $12.99 each. Looking at all the reusable cups and stuff. Most of these Contigo ones. These are from Target. Laser tag. This is like a gift. So many goodies. So just looking through all of the plates and stuff. They actually have a really large selection in this store. There's actually another aisle, which I'm so excited about. Because I remember once upon a time they consolidated everything. This is pretty with a peacock. Oh, it's kind of pretty too. Look how pretty this plate is with a rose and this silver trim. Christmas. Oh, these are like flowers. Star Gorilla, Royal Ironstone. Check it out, you guys. I found this really cool Dashed Hound plate. This is Kate Spade for Lennox. $14.99. Check it out, you guys. I also found these really cute Pottery Barn egg plates. How cute would these be for Easter? 4, 5. There's 8 of them too. They're 99 cents each, which isn't horrible. Sorry. We are back at the house and I'm really excited to share with you guys what we ended up getting. It wasn't too much, but I feel like the stuff that I got is really, really great and it's going to make a big impact on my holiday decorating. So, the first thing I have here, this is actually, I'm actually going to put this up in the shop, see if anyone is interested in it, because it's so cute. But I did end up getting the How it's pronounced? A dash hound? Dash hound, right? I feel like they look like little wiener dogs. That's what I call them. We used to have, when we were younger, we had we adopted a puppy that was, my sister's friend had a puppy, and it was half wiener dog and half chihuahua. That was like so cute. Like he looked more like chihuahua, but like he kind of had a little, like kind of like a longish body, and he was like really cute. So anyway, this kind of reminded me of him. So this is a Kate Spade for Lennox, just like a little hors d'oeuvres. I was like hors d'oeuvres, hors d'oeuvres tray. It's called the Wickford Dash Hound hors d'oeuvres tray. Oh my gosh, I love it saying it like that. I know that's not how you say it. I'm probably still saying it wrong, but this one was $15, a little bit pricey, but these plates are actually pretty expensive. So, and it still has the original sticker on the back as well. So, very excited about this little tray right here. I think it's really, really cute. And then I got 8 more things, but they're all pretty much the same. But I got a bunch of little Easter dessert plates, and they come in a menagerie of colors, which is pretty exciting. There's a blue one, there's a yellow egg, there's a pink one, and then there's also a green one. So I have 4 colors, 2 of each, so I can do a place setting of 8, which is very exciting. I was actually like hoping to find something like this at the Goodwill, and I was lucky enough to find a set of 8. Easter is just around the corner, and I really wanted to do another like thrifted tablescape, and I feel like this is just gonna be the icing on the cake for the plates, for the table setting this year. I don't know, I feel like this year is gonna be the year of table settings for me, because I'm like really obsessed over them right now. The one I did for Valentine's Day was super duper fun. I have a couple more in the works that I want to do as well. I have like an idea of what I want to do for 4th of July. I think it's going to be super fun. I keep saying super fun, but that's like all that can go into my brain right now, because like when I'm in thrifting and decorating mode, like all my brain cells are too dedicated to thinking about design and like how it's going to look and everything, that I just can't formulate into words anymore or express myself what I want to say. But the Easter table is going to be so cute. I have my like anthropology little bunnies, and I finally got a second one, so now I have 2, and I think it's gonna be so cute with the egg plates, and then I have like some flower trays, and I have so many fun things. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Okay, that's enough of that. I'm gonna stop talking about it. You guys are gonna see that come around Easter time. So if you guys like that kind of stuff and want like thrifting and home decor inspiration and thrifting in general, vlogs and all that fun stuff, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell button so you're notified when videos do go up. And if you guys are watching this video on or before February 26, 2020, I am having a sale in the shop, so go check it out. itsHadrian.com. All the info will be down below if the sale is still going on, and in the shop as well. So go check that out. I have tons of new handbags that I just listed, and I'm going to list that Kate Spade tray as well if anyone wants that. But that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. The new thrifting video goes up tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. I love you all immensely, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Okay guys, get excited because I just found some pretty great bags. They brought out a cart, and it's a little crazy, but I found this Rebecca Minkoff iPhone holder. That's number 1. Then I found this Longchamp. This is the not neoprene, but it's like the thicker fabric one, which is pretty cool. And I'm pretty sure this one is authentic, so that's exciting. Then I found, I've gotten one of these before, a B&D bag. The details are pretty awesome. All the studs, the leather is like a lambskin, super soft. And then, oh, hi, last but not least, I have this Goliard bag, which is super